This is the new ICON 1/4" modular service set. Comes with the ratchet extensions, swivel, no skip sizes, 5mm to 14mm, and then 5/32 to 9/16. Got the email alert today, so I rushed right out to get it. Let's get it open. It has some packing tape on it. Not sure if somebody's been in here yet or not. There it is. So like I stated earlier, this is a 1/4" kit. Comes with a lot of different sizes. First impression, ICON as always, they make great cases. This is another fantastic case, and I'm going to show you some of its features. There we go. So as the name would imply, this is a modular kit, meaning each one of these sections comes out separately. First one, you have your 1/4" ratchet, 6" handle on the ratchet. It is not a flex head. I think that's a big missed opportunity. For the money, I'd like to see a flex head. Not a deal breaker, but come on. You've also got a 6" extension, a 2" extension, and then a 1/4" universal joint. Fitment is very nice. They're not gonna fall out. Second module is their standard sizes, their SAEs. What's really nice about these is the fact that they all have their own spot. This is a double layer foam cutout, so you can tell very quickly if a socket is missing. Not just because it's gone, of course, but because you have that extra red color to indicate that. Got the standard size and then the deep sockets as well. Also no skips across all of those. And then for the second module, you have your metric sizes, 5 to 14. So you get your 10s and 13s, the most common. Then you get to the 8s. 5.5, I don't think I've ever used a 5.5 or anything. It's a pretty common size to get in a set, and you get it with this one as well. So if you don't like these big cases, you could stack these guys up in a toolbox, and the fact that they have their own foam cutout is really nice. Keeps everything in line, everything straight. It's a solid case. I wish it had a handle on it. You know, some way you could carry it out. If you're going out to your garage, the job site somewhere, it'd be nice to have something to grab onto. I don't know why they didn't do that here. If you notice on the back, we have these pins in the hinge section. They're in there pretty tight, but you can pull those pins out. Which allows you to separate the case. Why you would want to do this, I'm not quite sure. I understand having all of them together would be nice. Whoops. I was hoping they would all stay in there. Pretty snug fit, but the sockets do have some weight to them. So if you take the lid off, you can keep your socket set pretty organized in your box. Unfortunately, these metal clasps are not so easily removable, so they would have to stay on there, which is kind of weird if you ask me. If the whole point of getting rid of the hinge is to remove the top portion of the case and free up some room, now you're dealing with extra bits that can't lock into anything. So they just kind of flop around. Putting it back together is easy enough. Goes in there relatively smoothly. So now we get into the important part. Is it worth it? This ICON 1/4" general service kit, modular kit, is $99 at Harbor Freight. Kind of pricey. If you've seen my channel before, you've probably seen my review on this ICON 1/4" bit driver set. I'll leave the link for that one right up here in case you haven't gotten a chance to see it yet. This little 1/4" ratchet packs a ton of features. I really love this kit. It is fantastic. It is a bit driver kit, so you don't have any sockets in here. It does give you a 1/4" adapter, so that you can use it as a 1/4 inch socket set if you wish. This is $40. This is $100. The case on this one is made of plastic, but it's very sturdy. Comes with a nice anti-slip rubber coating on it. The features of this ratchet is worth the price of the whole kit, if you ask me. I'll let you go watch the video and you'll see. It's a really good value. I was hoping in this modular kit for $100 that they'd be offering something a little bit better than just a standard socket set. ICON does make good stuff. This is a 90-tooth ratchet, reversible. If you added all these things up together, would it give you $100? I don't know. Ratchet's probably 40, socket set's 40, so 120 right there. But still, I was hoping for more. The whole idea of this being modular is cool and all, but it sacrifices mobility just so you can take all the individual pieces out of the kit, which is a little bit strange. If you don't have any 1/4 inch sockets, no ratchet, no nothing, it's probably a good value. Because again, no skips, all the popular sizes, ratchet, extensions, swivel, a nice case to put it all in. But at the end of the day, it just doesn't have as many features as I was hoping. Even a simple upgrade of a flex head would have sealed the deal for me. I wouldn't have had any reservations about this kit had it come with something a little bit extra, like I've come to expect from ICON. All in all, like I said, it's a solid kit. It does have lots of sockets, it does have a ratchet, it does have a case. I think this is a relatively new item from ICON. I just got the email today, so I rushed over to Harbor Freight to grab one. Gotta say, I'm a little disappointed in it, especially for the price. If you guys have one of these, let me know down in the comments what you think about it. ICON generally makes really good stuff, so if you're building your kit and you need quarters, $100 will get you pretty much everything you need in that size range, within reason. So yeah, if you have it, drop a comment, let me know what you think about it. Let me know what your pros and cons are. It seems like they had something great in mind, it just fell a little short on their final product. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you give me a like and subscribe, it really helps me out. If you have any recommendations for other tool products, doesn't have to be ICON, doesn't have to be Harbor Freight. Let me know down in the comment section what you'd like to see. As always, I appreciate the support, and thank you for watching.